Okay, I've been trying to take the paint off of this air cleaner lid. Um, it is a chrome air cleaner, and I don't know, it might not be in that great a condition, but I want to get the black paint off of it and see what, I have with the chrome, and then I can decide whether I'm going to go with the chrome lid, um, or if I'm going to paint it a different color. And then I have the body here that I'm gonna, you know, clean up, sand down, I'll repaint it. And then I've got a lid there, which isn't chrome, it's just a regular steel lid. So I could use that. All the lids are the same. So of the three air cleaners that I have, they all have the same diameter and the lids all fit on each other. So I have, multiple choices here. But so far, I've used this paint stripper. That didn't do anything. So I have a video of that I'm going to stitch together. And this is what it looks like after. Didn't do nothing. So now I'm going to try the Varsol and the Goof Off. I picked these up at Canadian Tire. I picked the Solvable up at Home Depot. I haven't found a really good paint stripper. Everything's gone to the natural stuff with, earth friendly, no chemicals. And sorry, that doesn't get rid of oil-based paint. So I'm going to try these. I'll try a little bit with the Varsol. I'll try a little bit with the Goof Off at the same time. And we're going to see if either of these products works better than that useless crap there. Might be good for latex paint, but sure as hell doesn't do anything to an oil-based paint. So, bear with me. I'll try these two out, and we're going to see if either one of them is capable of doing anything to this paint, because that other one didn't do crap. That is useless. Forget that. Do not buy that crap, because that crap does not work. Okay, so I've tried all of these solvents, paint removers, whatever you want to call them, and the Varsol and the Goof Off did not work any better. Well, any better than the Solvable. I got a little bit of paint pull up on the edges. That was it. So I had it soaking for a couple hours, and that is it. There's really no change. You can still see that I've got solvent on there. I've got no change in the main body of the paint, with a little bit of paint removal on the edge. So those don't work. Do not use this stuff to remove automotive paint. Does not work. So that was plan A, the Solvable. Plan B was just to see if Varsol and Goof Off would work. So now I'm on to plan C. I haven't figured that one out yet, but we'll figure something out. Well, it's the 17th of February, Saturday. I've been working on taking the paint off that lid, but that didn't work. So I just thought, well, since nothing else is happening and I got to find a plan C on the paint removal for the air cleaner, I thought, well, maybe it's a good time just to do a cold start on the 442. And it's been sitting since November, start of November. So I thought, well, maybe it's time just to give it a good run and let it run for, a bit. And I don't know, just hear it, well, can't drive it. Anyway, so this is going to be a cold start. This is going to be a cold start on the 68 442. in the cold of February. Wedged in here a little tight. It's hard to get in here. That's a AM FM CB radio. There's the CB mic and Stewart Warner gauges for oil pressure and temp. As you can see, this is an original rust-free car with really bad rubbers. The dashboard is gone. I have another dashboard, a black one, that I'm gonna paint up and I'm gonna put in it. So there's the replacement. I have TikTok tack and a new gauge cluster for the fuel, and temperature and that. Now I got to get a new mirror. This one is just toast, but I got to find the right mirror because they seem to be color coded to the interior maybe. And this is, like I said, this is a rust-free car. So that's my cold start on my 68 442. It's a numbers matching car, no rust. All the rubbers on the doors are gone. The 400 is a little tired, but we're gonna replace it with the 455. Anyway, that is the cold start on 68.